Prom night is one of the most memorable nights in a student's life. It's a time to celebrate the end of high school, spend time with friends, and make lasting memories. So why not make it even more special by renting a limousine? In this video, we'll explore the benefits of renting a limousine for prom and how to make the most of this special night. Why rent a limousine for prom? There are many reasons to rent a limousine for prom. Here are just a few. Safety. Renting a limousine is one of the safest ways to travel on prom night. A professional chauffeur will take care of the driving, leaving you and your friends free to enjoy the night. Convenience. With a limousine, you won't have to worry about finding a designated driver, navigating unfamiliar roads, or dealing with traffic. You can sit back and relax, knowing that your chauffeur will get you to and from the prom safely and comfortably. Style. A limousine is a stylish and sophisticated way to arrive at the prom. It's a statement that says, "This is a special night, and I want to make it unforgettable." How to make the most of your prom limousine experience. Plan your route. Before the prom, work with your chauffeur to plan the most efficient and scenic route to the event. This will help you arrive at the prom on time with plenty of time to dance the night away. Stock the limousine. Make sure to bring plenty of drinks, snacks, and music to enjoy in the limo. You can also bring decorations to make the limousine feel even more special and festive. Take lots of photos. Prom night is all about making memories, so make sure to take plenty of photos in the limousine. You and your friends will treasure these photos for years to come. Have fun. Finally, the most important thing is to have fun. Enjoy the night with your friends and make lasting memories. In conclusion, renting a limousine for prom night is a great way to make this special night even more memorable. With its safety, convenience, and style, a limousine is a must-have for any student planning a prom night to remember. So, why not book your limousine today at www.daytonalimo.com and make your prom night truly special?